Okay, so the inspector just left. He looked over all my stuff, and I bet you want to know if I passed or not. I don't know. Anyway, he did list a few things I have to do for this panel. Really nothing. I did let him know I'm just going to glue this part here. I'm not going to shoot screws unless the screws are short, because there's wire behind there. You don't want a sharp thing sticking out behind there. He didn't mention anything about the arc fault, ground fault stuff all through here. He did check to make sure on my metal receptacles that I have either this ground clamp or a screw. He looked over the rest of my wiring, just mentioned small safety things, which I really appreciate. I have exposed wire here. I need to have wire nuts on them. Even though there's a breaker, still want wire nuts on them, which I completely agree. I get it, I understand. Maybe I can just get a fixture up there. I have some more exposed wires right there. That's for my fire alarm. And of course there, I had this hooked up, but I had to take it off because I stole it and used it elsewhere, but I'm gonna put another one there. Anyway, he said I also need to fix, well, one, I need to have a landing right there. I can't just have that. I planned on getting one anyway. I actually plan on putting a large concrete porch, if you will, out there. But that was gonna be later, but I guess I gotta bump that up. We'll do something with that. And then the wires on this, I know this is pretty crappy. This has been like this since I got here, but he said that these wires, all this stuff needs to be fixed, and this needs to be off of the ground. It can't be on the ground. I have to have the well run to the main panel because right now it's going off of the pole somewhere over here. I don't know, somewhere over here it's going off the pole. Finally, the verdict was I passed. Yay, pretty excited about that. I really like the guy. He's a nice guy. He, old CB, for all y'all naval folks. He was a CB for quite a few years, did construction. Nice guy, real nice guy. He's a no-nonsense kind of fella, you know. He's pretty cool. I think, you know, if you seem to have half a brain and you're not trying to pull the wool over his eyes, he's pretty nice. I've heard other people say he's not that nice, but with me, he's been very respectful, and I'm respectful with him. I mean, he's a nice guy. And there's been times he hasn't passed me, and he'll explain why he hasn't passed me. And you know what? It boils down to safety, and that's his job. And I appreciate him doing his job. Everything looks good. I'm pretty excited. And we're gonna get going on the next step. Electrical, done. Thank you. Bye.